Today we got the lights in. Boom. These will be going right here. Everything online says the first step is to get this screw out right here. This whole piece comes out, giving you access to the right screws to pull that stuff out.
Right up top with that splash, with a bottle of crisp for that glass. Got a couple of racks in that stash. That money be coming in so fast. I cop the drop and I brag. 205 on that dash, but that don't mean I won't be creeping. I ain't answer the phone, she saw me tweeting. Hit me with a text and said we beefing. Sent her one back and said you tweaking. Ain't about cash, I'm not repeating.
This side is done. This side should be really quick. OEM. Both sides. Looking way better. Whew. I love it. Let me know what you guys say.
In those games I'm not competing. Said what you talking about, baby? We just having fun. Maybe this is how it's run. Middle finger add a one. I throw the piece up, it's G's up, we hit a lick. I know the secrets, I know the niggas that I eat with. We practice all of that G shit. T crack the bottle that we lit. Let's celebrate. I'm looking for a reason to elevate. Let's hit it rich, my nigga, both kinds. And I'm working around the clock, I'm always on time. I'm a rider, so fuck your clique. I'm in the drug dealer.
Now I think I'm gonna take this license plate frame. It has the chrome finish. And swap it with the back one. The back one's got the gloss black finish. Shout out to Information. Overall, I think that looks way better. There's way less going on now. Front end looks a lot less stock. Still need a front lip. Now I think I'm gonna debadge the back. So we're gonna take off this logo and this logo just to kind of clean up the overall back end.
That's my shit.
Lobster fettuccine, side of fried zucchini. Wash it down with Chris and top it all off with some greenery. Ain't no one-on-ones, man, I swear they got a team. Boy, I got them packs flipping, moving like a slinky. Met your girl Vicky, she nasty, she freaky. Want a heavyweight, she tired of fucking with a peewee. Tris come through, have her screaming, Willie beaming. I dick her down like Dick was going out of season. Feeling hella bold, so we ain't sneaking every weekend.
So much better. Woo. I just love the way the chrome blings a lot more. That blings. That blings. There's just a lot less going on, so it looks way better. Ooh. So much cleaner now. That did overall for both ends.
In that pussy, getting sun while I'm sleeping. I made a goal, get your medal up. Recap my highlights from twice night. Strong like a glass of 7 up. My condolences to all competitors. Food